playing Golden Gate Park golf course. I just got a 4. A 4 yelled at from the guys on the tee there, but we're playing Golden Gate Park golf course, a newly remodeled course, and this is the first part of the Carl tournament. A lot of people came in early to play this. I think it's just a bunch of par 3s in the middle of Golden Gate Park. It looks beautiful though. Golden Gate Park golf course is a lot of what's fun about golf. It's very playable, it's affordable, and it's fun if you're learning to play. It's a quick round, and there's drinks for you at the turn and at number 5. We enjoyed the heck out of playing this course. All right, we are out here. We're on number 1. We got a 6-some rolling around out here, and Mr. Blasi just redid this course. I just finished it, so we're getting to see the brand new architecture. It is beautiful. The golf course underwent a $2.5 million renovation in 2023, so it's like a brand new course right now. The architect was Blasi, who was out on the course today with us, playing other holes. We never quite found him, but he did a great job on the course. All right, this must be an easy hole. There's 6 balls on the green. We are playing a 6-some.
Cuts out all my bad ones.
I've got to say, this is a really fun track. It's cool being able to see the ocean right there while you're hitting at a little public course, par 3 course. Oh no.
Coming out for a 6, 7.
Someone came and joined me. I was on the green, but I just put it off the green down to here. This is an evil pin placement. All right, this is number 6. The bartender asked us how the pin placement was, and all. Oh, holy crap!
That's the answer.
That was the way you do it. Okay, that was fun. That was cool. They the good news was they had a bar at number 1, and you came back to the same bar at number 5. So it's pretty fun. Cool golf course design. So well done, San Francisco Golden Gate Golf Club.